Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to either restart or factory reset a Kindle Paperwhite. So I'm going to start with a soft reset. So this is just rebooting your device. We can do this by holding down the power button at the bottom for a handful of seconds until we get the power options menu to show up. And then right here, we can click on where it says restart. And this will just power cycle the device, turn it off, turn it back on. And that's how you're going to go about doing a soft restart or reset on a Kindle Paperwhite. Now to show you how to do a hard reset or factory resetting your Amazon Kindle Paperwhite, what we're going to do is a long drag down from the top of our screen. This is going to open up this menu, and we want to click on where it says All Settings. And in our settings area, we want to click on where it says Device Options. And in our device options, we can see towards the bottom, we have the reset option, which is resetting your Kindle to its original settings and restarting it. So this is going to be the factory reset option. If we click on that, it'll give you this warning that this action will remove all downloads or transferred content from your Kindle and your settings will not be saved. You will still be able to download your items from the cloud. Do you want to factory reset your Kindle? And if you do want to do this, then click on where it says yes. And it's also worth noting that in this device options area, you also have the option to do a soft restart or reset of your device with the restart option. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you either do a soft reset or a hard reset of your Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.